In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create simple forms in Glide. Whether you're building a quick feedback form or collecting signups, I'll walk you through a clean, repeatable process so you're confident from start to finish. First, go to Glide, open it in your browser, and make sure you're on the workspace you use for your apps. Next, sign into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your projects. Open the project you want to edit, so we're working directly inside the app where the form will live. This keeps everything organized and ensures your form connects to the right data. With your project open, look to the left sidebar. Find the navigation area and click the Add option there. This is where Glide lets you bring in new screens and layouts. From the options that appear, select Multi-Step Form. This template is a great starting point because it already includes the essentials most forms need, things like name, email, and a space for additional details, organized across simple, guided steps. Now, edit the template as you wish. Think about what information you truly need and make the form as short as possible while still being complete. Rename fields so they're clear and friendly to read. For example, instead of full name, you might say your name and add a brief description so people know exactly what to type. If a field is critical, mark it as required so submissions don't come in missing key details. You can also adjust the order of the steps to create a logical flow, starting with the easiest questions to build momentum. As you make changes, Glide shows a live preview, so glance at how the form looks on both mobile and desktop to catch spacing or readability issues. Keep labels consistent, avoid jargon, and, where helpful, add placeholder text to guide users with examples. If you're collecting longer answers, increase the text area size for comfort. The goal is to make the form feel effortless. When everything looks good, head to the top right corner and click Publish. This pushes your updated project live so your users can access the form immediately. If you're sharing the app link, this is the moment when the latest version becomes available to anyone with access. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.